What if you could become truly unstoppable in any game? In this video, I'm going to show you how to break the rules by unlocking unlimited ammo, infinite health, and finally, activating God mode where you can disappear from the game and escape the Matrix entirely. This isn't some basic cheat. This is a next-level exploit that most gamers have no idea even exists. But here's the twist. You have to watch till the end, because the final step is what unlocks true God mode. Let's go. First, head over to Google and search for a cheat engine. Go to their official website. And by the way, all the links and commands I use in this video are available in my Discord channel, and you can find the link in the description. Once you're on the site, click on Downloads in the left-hand menu and grab the latest version. It may get flagged as a virus, so you might need to temporarily disable your antivirus during the download. Once you download it, you want to run it and it will give you the normal setup stuff. But in the beginning here, it's going to give you these kind of ads. So this isn't actually part of their policy, so you can decline these. Now click Finish, and Cheat Engine should launch. And no, I don't need the tutorial. I'm a pro hacker. Now with Cheat Engine open, launch the game you want to hack. For this example, I'm using Assault Cube. Once you're in the game, go back to Cheat Engine and click on the glowing computer icon to select the game's process. In my case, that's Assault Cube. Click Open. Here's how it works. Cheat Engine scans values on the game until it finds the correct text address, and then from there you can edit it and change it to whatever you want. Let me show you. So, as an example, you can see my ammo is at 20 right now, so I am going to scan for the value 20. Here type 20 and click on the first scan. And a bunch of values popped up. So any of these could be the ammo. We don't know for sure, so we want to go back to Assault Cube and shoot a few rounds. Right now it's on 17. So now we search for 17 and we should click on Next Scan. Now we have only 2 values. Just let me shoot some more. Now 14. And if we search for 14, it still gives us 2 values, so you can just try both of these values. Now to edit the values, you want to click on it and press Ctrl and E on your keyboard. Let's say I'm going to change it to 9999 and more 9. And as you can see, the value is now changed to a huge number. And there it is, unlimited ammo. You can now go full Rambo mode with no reload stress. But we're just getting started. Let's try something even better. Infinite health. So I load the game again, and I know my health starts at 100. If I search for 100, it will show a bunch of values, as before. To get a unique value, I am let go into this guy shoot me for a bit. So now I am at 18. Search for 18. Still too many results. Let's get a bit more health. Here we go. Now I'm at 51. Let's hide somewhere and search for 51. And lucky us, we found the exact value. Hit Ctrl plus E, enter a big number. Hit OK. Now check this out, I've got more health than a boss fight character. Easy mode, but now it's time for the craziest trick of all. Open up command prompt. Type in this special command, and inside the quotes, replace it with the name of the game you are using. You can find this command in my Discord server too, and the link is in the description. Now, I run the command and jump back into Assault Cube. Watch this. When I press E, I literally go into God mode. I disappear from the map, sneak behind enemies, shoot them, and disappear again. At this point, your friends are going to start thinking you're an anonymous. And that's it for today. If you learned something new, drop a like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more awesome tricks. Make sure to join my Discord server and I'll see you in the next one.